Tres. Hello,
Hello.
we are going to explain you how to make a homemade cake of Milo. My name is Orlando. His name is Juan Jose.
Well, first we will tell you about the ingredients, which they are Milo, flour, sugar, milk, and eggs and oil, and butter.
Okay, we go ahead to the preparation. First, we put 2 tablespoons of Milo. One and two.
Well, then we make 4 tablespoons of flour. One, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, then we put 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
After that, pour in 4 tablespoons of milk. Milk. One, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, then we split an egg on the mixture.
Oh, sí.
And put 1
Tablespoons.
of oil.
Okay. Finally, we mix our mixture very well so that is without lumps. No nos pueden sentir que se requiere reír, se requiere contra.
Así.
Okay.
Okay, then we put some butter in the cup. To don't have sick.
Sí, nos quedan 6. Nos quedan 6 personas.
Okay, we have the water in the cup. Then we put the mixture in the cup. 1 moment.
When this is done, mix the cup in the microwave for 3 minutes.
Okay, here we have the sponge and delicious Milo cake. Thanks for watching the video. For more, like and subscribe. Then we split an egg in the mixture.
Ay, no!